name's Meg Jones. I'm a reporter from the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel. I'm in Clear Lake, Wisconsin today, interviewing a really interesting guy who is a rare book restorer. So he's been doing this for about 20, 25 years, and he takes books that the bindings are falling off, or they've been eaten by raccoons, or there's worms, bookworms on them, and he repairs them. So he's had some really interesting stuff that he's done for various universities. He's also done some stuff for the Wisconsin Historical Society. His big kind of bread and butter stuff that he does now, though, are for individuals who want their family Bibles, cookbooks, and also children's books that they want redone. So I found out about this story because some other media had done some stories on him in the past, and I thought, well, that's kind of interesting. There's not too many book repairers that are still out there, and especially now in a digital age when we've got Kindles and iPads. I asked him that question, and he said, I think there's always going to be books, no matter how many years from now. People are still going to be wanting reading books, and they've got value, and so when the bindings fall off or the pages fall out, they want them repaired. So I'll be writing a story about this, which you can find on jsonline.com with photos from Mark Hoffman.